Welcome back to Across Louisiana. You know, the summertime is upon us, and that means with kids out of school, you got to keep them in those books and keep them reading. And the East Baton Rouge Parish Library is here to help out with that. They have a summer reading program, and here to give us the scoop on that and much more is Mary Stein. Welcome back to the show, Mary.
Thanks. We're so excited to be here and share the good news that the book is not dead, and we like to say summertime and the reading is easy at your East Baton Rouge Parish Library. So we've got the summer reading program not just for the kids, but for the teenagers and even for you and me. Because for years, those adults would see their kids racking up the points and coming to the programs and attending the free events, the concerts, and they wanted a little share of the action, so now everyone can play. And it's everything from reading the books that you have to read for school to the more fun things that we want you to read. We want the kids to fall into a book and really escape the ordinary and realize that books can take you wherever you want to be. So in fact, that's why we have a theme, Escape the Ordinary, and every hero has a story for the summer for all the different age groups. And we're going to have, of course, free programs, puppet shows, concerts, workshops. You want to make goo, we can do that. You want to do Lego labs, we can do that. You want to play Fear Factor, we can do that. We're going to have fun movies, especially at the new main library with that giant outdoor screen. We're going to start off with our favorite Frozen movie on the first Friday in June at night, and we're going to have some special friends, maybe a princess dressed in blue, and of course free. Everything is free, and it's so important for the kids to keep reading.
It's obviously really important that they keep those skills sharp throughout the summertime. I know it's something that people are going to want to take advantage of, so what do they need to do to take part in it?
Just visit your East Baton Rouge Parish Library. Any branch, we're open 7 days a week, and you can find out calendar and other information at ebrpl.com.
Well, I know over the summer in June you have something else exciting going on. You have 5 nationally known authors coming to town. Tell us a little bit about that.
We do, and that's part of the summer reading program for the teenagers. The National Book Award winner, Jacqueline Woodson, is coming. Kwame Alexander is coming. Coe Booth, Sharon Flake, and Sharon Draper. This is part of the LSU Young Adult Literature Conference, and they are such wonderful partners with us that they're sharing the authors in the evening for, again, a free program. This is your chance to touch greatness. People are speculating that with the passing of Maya Angelou, Jacqueline Woodson is the preeminent African-American writer living today, and the books are phenomenal, the messages are wonderful, and these authors are, it's a chance of a lifetime to be able to come to the main library the first week of June and really breathe that rarefied air. They'll be speaking about their books, they'll be autographing their books, and it's just going to be a wonderful evening. So again, you can find out all the information in the newsletter, The Source, which is in print, it's online. We have online calendars, and you can call the Young Adult Department at the main library and find out more.
We have just about 30 seconds left. I know you have something tied in with the Red Stick International Festival coming up. Tell us about that, and then tell the folks where they can go to find out more about all these great offerings.
Sure. Well, again, you know, because it's not just books, but technology and emerging technology, we've again partnered with LSU to bring the Red Stick International Festival downtown. And Saturday, May 30th, they'll be headquartered at the River Center branch, and we'll have labs for the kids. We'll have fun events for the adults. We'll have a little mini maker fair, so you can get your robotics on or kind of check out the 3D printing technology and get a taste. And then you'll see more about those kinds of things at the library all summer long.
Outstanding. Always lots going on. Thanks for coming on and telling us all about it.
Thank you. We'll see you there.
Well, they're out there keeping you safe from Medicare fraud. It's the Senior Medicare Patrol. Take a look, everyone.
The Senior Medicare Patrol is federally funded by the Administration for Community Living. And in Louisiana, we're sponsored by EQ Health Solutions. Our mission is to empower Medicare beneficiaries, their families, and caregivers to prevent, detect, and report fraud, abuse, and waste through outreach, counseling, and education.
And they're telling us out of the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services in Washington that anywhere from 60 to 100 billion, that's with a B, is lost by fraud, abuse, error, and waste each year in this nation. That's an eye-opener. All I know is good medicine. All I know are physicians who practice good medicine, but there are some that are not, and there are people who will take advantage of your Medicare number and buy all sorts of things with it.
In Louisiana, we have over 800,000 Medicare beneficiaries. We have 3 full-time staff with a limited budget. It's a grant program. We have 46 wonderful volunteers, but 800,000 people to reach with the few numbers that we have to support the program is daunting. So volunteers are critical for us to reach the Medicare beneficiaries across the entire state.
We are looking for someone who is not afraid to stand up in front of a group and maybe give a 15 to 20-minute presentation on Medicare fraud prevention. They talk to them about protecting their Medicare summary notice, detecting fraud, waste, and abuse on their Medicare summary notices, and then how to report that. We're also looking for volunteers who like to work at health fairs, where they stand at a booth and they hand out literature, giveaways. We provide all of that information for them.
Well, in my particular case, I answered an ad about Spanish-speaking volunteers for SMP. One of my favorite programs is Social Security and Medicare. The costs are very high, and incrementally every year it goes up higher and higher. And if fraud is one of the reasons, then I will do whatever is necessary to help. I can utilize my intelligence, my knowledge, my experience, my organizational skills, and if I don't have any of those, then I can acquire them because I'm dealing with people that are very capable. They are able to tell you exactly, well, this is what you can do, this is what's going to happen, this is the result. At the same time, some of the younger people are more knowledgeable about Medicare activities that I am not.
When that Medicare notice comes in, hopefully you can check the date, know the doctor that you saw is the doctor who's listed, and that the service that was given to you, you received, and the tests that you went to take, and the procedure, and even the hospital you were admitted to is accurate, and that you care. And if you find that it isn't, that's something you should take up with the provider, or either your plan, or if you're not satisfied with that, or you can't get an answer for it that's clear to you, that you contact the Senior Medicare Patrol for them to investigate. Because I think that not only is it fraud and abuse, it's also error and waste.
It's just very simple. Look at your bill. Now, I've been looking at my bills forever because it's my money, but your money, which is basically what I'm looking out for now, and you know, the federal government doesn't have any money. This is the taxpayer money that we need to watch out for.
We have found that retired professionals are a good fit for this type of work and the type of volunteers that are important to this program. If you feel that you can help us, we would greatly appreciate you calling our toll-free number, 877-272-8720, and talk with us. You can also go to our website, stopmedicarefraudla.org, and complete a questionnaire, read more about our program, or look at some of the testimonies from other volunteers and get more information about our organization.
When we come back on Across Louisiana, get your chance to celebrate Baton Rouge's diversity at the Baton Rouge Pride Fest coming up soon. Don't miss it.